we are going to do one more activity. The activity will be related to leaves. Okay, can you see this? Can you see this? What part of the plant do we eat? We eat different parts of the plant. As you can see in this picture, we eat the flower of the plant, we eat the stems of the plant, we eat the leaves of the plant, we eat the seeds of the plant, and we also eat the roots of the plant. Different plants, we eat different things. Like when we eat apple, that means we are eating the fruit of the plant. When we eat radish, carrot, beetroot, that means we are eating the roots of the plant. When we eat spinach, that means we are eating the leaves of the plant. Similarly, when we eat uh, broccoli, we are eating again the fruit. When we eat pea, beans, we are eating the roots, and when we eat sugarcane, we are eating the stem of the plant. So there are different parts of the plant that we eat. Okay, similarly, are you getting it, all of you? Can you see this diagram? Similarly, now see this. This is the activity that you have to do. Means I will give you this chart. You are going to make this same type of chart in punch on a punch paper. You will write seed, and in front of it you will stick seeds. Any type of seed that you eat. It may be a must. You have to stick. First, wrap it in a cellophane paper. Wrap it in a cellophane paper and then stick any type of seeds that you eat. Okay, then flower. What we eat? We eat broccoli. Broccoli is a flower. We cauliflower we eat. Cabbage we eat. So these comes in the flower. So you can take one broccoli, a piece of broccoli, or a piece of cauliflower, wrap it in a cellophane, stick it in the copy. Copy means sponge paper. Then stem. Stem of any plant that we eat, sugarcane or anything, stem, radish, you can stick that. Then come leaves, any leaves that you eat. What type of leaves you eat? Spinach we eat. So you can see spinach leaves here. Wrap it in a cellophane and stick them. Then roots, cabbage also, any leaves, whatever you eat. Then roots, in roots come radish, carrot, beetroot. Okay. Then roots also you have to wrap it in a cellophane and stick it in the on the punch paper. EVS activity. Are you getting it? This image and the previous image, both images I am going to send it to you. The previous image is only for to read, and this image is your activity. All right. As you have done the leaves activity, similarly you are going to do this activity also. Clear to everybody now? Okay. EVS activity is clear? Okay. So that's just now I'm going to give you the PDF or both the images. You go through it and then complete the activity, EVS activity. Okay? All right. Bye bye.